Here's a 4 block of Buckeye. Amazing quality, okay? I'm going to show you the dimensions, okay? Then you guys decide which one you guys want to buy. Okay? This is a spectacular piece. We call this one as block number 1. I'm going to show the dimensions. That's almost 24 inches in length, and the width is 10 inches and a half. The second block is this one, and the thickness is 2.5. Second block, 27 inches in length, 10 inches in wide, 8 inches, and the thickness is 2.75. Block number 2. So block number 3, that's about 23 and 24 inches in length, 8.75 inches in wide. That's about 8 inches right there. The thickness is 2.75. No, sorry, 3.25. Almost 3.5. Sorry. And the fourth block is this guy, 23 inches in length, 12 inches in wide, and 2.25 almost. So here is 11 inches, over here is 9 inches. 3 blocks. Block number 1, block number 2, block number 3, and block number 4. Amazing quality, Buckeye.